The Powertrain Perspective podcast is sponsored by TransStar Aftermarket Solutions.
Welcome to Powertrain Perspective. Glad you could join us today, where we're going to have a fascinating discussion about a relatively new 8-speed transmission from ZF. I'm joined by Andre Kohl. He's the Electric Driveline Solutions Product Segment Manager for ZF North America. And Andre, just tell us a little bit about yourself, your work history, and the responsibilities you have today with the company.
Sure, of course. My name is Andre Kohl, as you also mentioned, and I'm responsible for Electric Driveline Solutions product segment here in North America, as well as driveline business development in North America.
Okay. And the PowerLine transmission is what we're going to be discussing today. Do you can you give us an idea what models will that or is that appearing in, and what's the first model year for deployment of that?
Oh, sure, of course. So currently the ZF PowerLine 8-speed transmission is released on the Stellantis Ram portfolio. So basically starting at 2500 all the way up to the 5500. And those transmissions can be equipped with or without the driveline PTO that PowerLine transmission has. And in addition to the Stellantis portfolio, the ZF PowerLine 8-speed transmission is also released with PACCAR, more on the commercial vehicle application. PACCAR actually has two brands, right? Peterbilt and Kenworth, and the PowerLine is released on both platforms, medium-duty platforms. And PACCAR actually decided to brand the PowerLine as TX8. In addition to these two OEs, the PowerLine actually is to be announced. The PowerLine will be soon released in two additional major North America OEs. And also in 2026, the PowerLine will be released in two vocational OEMs in the beginning of 2026.
Now, this particular 8-speed is somewhat different than the 8 HP that everyone's used to have seen. Is that correct?
Well, are you referring to the ZF 8 HP that is currently
Yes.
being used in more like a passenger car platforms?
Right.
Yes, yes. Well, the similarities of these two transmissions are immense. I would rather categorize them as the PowerLine being just a beefed up, a scaled up, more robust 8 HP transmission for higher torque, higher power, and higher GCVW applications. But the similarity between these two transmissions, it's very high.
When I did some reading on this, I read something that the company's very proud of, something they refer to as the gear set concept in here.
Yeah, the PowerLine, it's indeed a benchmark 8-speed gear layout. You know, explores a maximum in class gear spread, right? And also a bad gear harmonization. So the steps between one gear and the other are very harmonized with the intent to minimize gear hunting and discomfort as you are moving from one speed to another.
Okay, and also they talked about fuel efficiency from this particular transmission.
Correct. This transmission has less moving parts, right? So it's all physics. So if you have less moving parts, for sure you will have a better fuel economy and better acceleration as well. So if we compare the PowerLine 8-speed transmission with current 6-speed transmissions that are in the market, PowerLine will provide a up to 15% improved acceleration, as well as up to 10% fuel economy improvement. And fuel economy improvement also, translates to a diesel particulate filter life improvement as well, right? So it's all benefit and money back on the wallet of the user. And it's all about total cost of ownership, right?
Sure. Now, when the Transmission Digest reader finds one of these transmissions in their shop, obviously parts will be available from their distributor. But do the parts then for, say, a Stellantis, do those come from ZF, or are those going to come from Stellantis, or both, or how does that work for aftermarket parts?
Yeah, it's both. But the ZF differentiation in this case is that in the more commercial vehicle class, so for example, in the pack car side, ZF is certifying the OEM service centers, right, to be fully capable to service the ZF PowerLine 8-speed fully automatic transmission. And consequently, that will minimize downtime, will promote uptime, and maximize total cost of ownership. On the Stellantis world, what's going to happen there is Mopar and all the Stellantis dealerships will also be fully capable and fully trained to work on these transmissions.
Okay, and finally, I know that ZF is constantly researching, they're developing new product for what ZF has been a master at doing is developing transmission systems for OEMs. And what else is in the works?
Now, Bobby, you are absolutely correct. You know, ZF never stops. We are always reinvesting in the company and new technology. And actually, PowerLine comes with that as well. PowerLine comes with a full protected package for mild and plug-in hybrid applications, supporting a clean planet. Right? It's all about embracing the green motivation.
Well, that's fantastic, and we so much appreciate you taking your time today to join us on Powertrain Perspective and to explain this new unit, which seems to have a lot of promise from ZF. And Andre, we thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. My pleasure. Thank you for the opportunity, Bobby. Thank you.